आप हिंदुस्तान से तेलुगु फिश नो फिश Good afternoon, viewers. Hope you are well and have an amazing day. It's Wednesday, June 8th, 2022. It's around 1 p.m. and the temperature is 29 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am at Kandawgyi Lake. Kandawgyi Lake is one of two major lakes in Yangon. It is located to the east of the Suidagon Pagoda. Water from inner lake is channeled through a series of pipes to Kandawgyi Lake. It was created to provide a clean water supply to the city during the British colonial administration. Total area of this lake is 61 hectares. It is approximately 5 miles in circumference and has a depth of 20 to 45 inches. The 150-acre lake is surrounded by the 110-acre Kandawgyi Nature Park and the 69.25-acre Yangon Zoological Gardens, which consists of zoo, an aquarium and an amusement park. The lake itself is bounded by Notmok Street to its north and east, Bahan Street to its west and Kaniktha Street to its south. The lake used to be the site of the Rangoon Rowing Club turned Kandawgyi Palace Hotel. Along the eastern shorelines of the lake is the famous Karaweik Palace, a concrete replica of a Burmese royal barge built in 1972. It houses a buffet restaurant today. A wonderful statue of Lord Buddha. This is Karaweik Hall. Karaweik Hall is a palace on the eastern shore of Kandawgyi Lake. The word Karaweik comes from the Pali Karavika, which is a mythical bird with a melodious cry. The barge was designed by Burmese architect U Nui Laing, who based it on the Pijimon Royal Barge. The construction of Karaweik Palace began in June 1972 and was finished in October 1974. The barge is a two-storied construction of concrete and stucco reinforced by iron rods with a piathat top roof, 2 reception halls and a conference room. It houses a buffet restaurant today. What a beautiful greenery surrounded the lake. This is a Buddhist temple in the lake. People are coming with friends and enjoying their day. Myanmar girls with traditional Burmese dress, thammi. What a beautiful scenic view. Quite cloudy now. This is a nice place for walking, jogging and recreation. People are enjoying their time with friends.
Yeah?
This man is trying to catch fish.
Pakistan.
आप हिंदुस्तान से
No, Andhra, Telugu.
तेलुगु fish available no fish
No,
no every day come
sometime.
how much you earn
Was
how much money earn कितना कमाई करती है
no.
no है
Over there, that is the golden stupa of Shwedagon Pagoda. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.